Hi guys, today we're going to be on Snakes versus Blocks. See, it's a good day game, so here we go. Let's start off. I'm breathing quite heavily because I've just been playing outside with my mate. It's really cold as well because it's in England. I can't feel my fingers either, so that might be a bit of a disadvantage. So go down here. Now I'm dead. So, yeah. Just go, and then you collect these dots to, you build it all up, and then break the blocks. And then I go 1, 2, 3. I'm on 0, so I can't break anything. So that's lucky that there's some gaps here. So go for 3. Now I'm on 2, 1. Now I've got 0. What can be a problem, because that just happened. So yeah, it don't matter what one you get, just get a good amount. At least you're building the dots up it. So go. So there, we're alive still. Ooh, still alive. Don't know how though. Now we're dead. Start again. So I'm going to be trying to break my record. I'm not sure what it is, but next time I die, I'll know. It might be short because I'm going home to my mum's soon. So yeah. So go. 348 I need to beat. Whoa, did I ask for that? No, don't come up. So remember, go for the best ones always. Now I'm dead, so for that. So I think it means I've survived a lot of times for it. Like, it means what just was up. It says 300, I think. So I've won 2. It's going to go to 15, and then it's like that. So now I'm dead. So I got 29. I basically broke 29 of them. So if it has like 35, so I broke that 6 times. I damaged it 6 times. So I'm getting all this now. So that one I broke it 34 times. So just keep doing that. Like so, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Da ba da ba da da ba da do 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 do. And be careful about the tunnels. Can be very sly. Because once you're in the tunnels, you can't escape from it. So like if I went in that tunnel just then, I would have had to stay in it. Now I'm having to stay in this one. So 53 I got that time. Probably because my hands are starting to heat up more. 1, 4, 5, 9, 6, break, do 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 do, boom ba da da. 9 do 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 do. So collect up, collect. Little like so. Collect. collect them all. Collect them all. We're running out of dots now, so look for as many dots as possible. Even if it's one you want to take it, at 1, 3 dot. And if there's some what you don't need, like I messed up there because I just wasted all my dots up. So like here I'm doing good because I'm already on 20 something dots. So do this like so. Get dots, get dot, miss that. 3. So I need to work up on my dots now because they're getting low again. So 5 dots left. Oh, I nearly survived. So 5. See, look, I've already got 10. 8. Boom, boom, bang. Now I'm dead. That's sad. I think I'll have 2 more run throughs because it's here, you know, hard. And I'm off soon, like, so I don't want to like stop in like halfway through my episode and have to leave it, and I'm gonna have to upload it a different day. I don't want that to happen, so I just want it to stay together. So go. I think this is my last time, so I'm dead now. So I've been doing it for 6 minutes. Fine, last time for you guys. This is gonna win. I can feel it in my bones now. Oh, come on, see, look at this. Come on, look at this. Come on, can you see it all? Can you see it all? Look. Oh, look at this. And in the comments below, tell me what your score is. And then we're dead. So that's everything for today, guys. That's all.